Everyone thinks affordable electric SUVs force you to choose. Either you get range or you get space. Either you get features or you get a price that makes sense. The 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric just proved everyone wrong. 319 miles of range. That number alone changes everything about what a 35,000 pounds electric SUV can do. This is not some stripped-down city runabout. This is a proper family car that happens to be electric. Start with the design. The Kona Electric looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. That seamless horizon lamp stretches across the entire front like a digital light bar. The proportions are chunky, aggressive, almost RoboCop-level bold. It is 145 millimeters longer than the old model, 60 millimeters more wheelbase, 25 millimeters wider. This is not a refresh. This is a complete reinvention. Open the hood and you will find two battery options. The entry-level standard range packs a 48.4 kilowatt-hour battery with 156 horsepower. You get 234 miles of range. But the long-range version is where this car earns its reputation. 65.4 kilowatt-hour battery, 218 horsepower, 255 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 62 in 7.8 seconds. Not hypercar fast, but quick enough to remind you electric motors do not mess around. And that 319-mile range means you can drive from London to Edinburgh without thinking about a charger. DC fast charging hits 102.3 kilowatts, 10 to 80% in 41 minutes. Heat pump comes standard. Vehicle-to-load charging lets you power your camping gear or kitchen appliances straight from the car. Step inside and the first thing you notice is space. Dual 12.3-inch screens dominate the dashboard. One for your instruments, one for infotainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, navigation, climate controls with actual physical buttons. The rear seats are genuinely spacious now, 77 millimeters more legroom than the old Kona. But here is the real shock. The boot holds 466 liters with the seats up. That is a 40% increase over the previous generation. That is more than a Volkswagen ID. 3. More than a smart one, nearly identical to a Nissan Ariya. And Hyundai did not stop there. Open the front and you will find a 27-liter frunk, perfect for charging cables or groceries you do not want rolling around. The competition? The Kia Niro EV starts higher. The Nissan Ariya starts at 40,000 pounds. The smart one has less than half the boot space. The Kona Electric gives you everything they offer and undercuts them on price. 5-year unlimited mileage warranty, 8-year battery warranty, 4-star Euro NCAP rating, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. So here is the question. Starting from 35,000 pounds, is the 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric the smartest electric SUV you can buy? If that sounds like a vehicle worth your attention, tap that thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more honest car reviews. Next up, we are testing the brand new Kia EV3 to see if it can match this level of value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.